How to see your password in Roblox. So actually, even if you open your Roblox application, go to settings or go to privacy or account information, you cannot see your Roblox password here. So what you want to do is to just simply exit this application and then go to your phone settings. Swipe down and look for the gear icon. Now, under phone settings, what you want to do here is to simply scroll down till you see account or Google account. Okay, so once you found it, what you want to do is to simply tap, okay, tap Google, and then you have to look for manage Google account. So you have to click manage Google account. Okay, tap this one here. And then next you have to look for security. Okay, so you have to tap security here and then look for password manager. Okay, and then here, what you want to do is to simply search for Roblox. Okay, search password, click the search icon here, and then type Roblox, and then here it is. Okay, so all you have to do is to simply tap this eye icon here to see your password, or you can simply copy and then paste it to your Roblox account. Okay, and that's how easy it is to see your password in Roblox. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next tutorials.